Hey guys, so got to make a video on the Blackmax charging system, specifically the 80s, 88, late 80s, good old Blackmaxes, because I can't find a video of voltage rectifiers. I'm going to make a little video today on a bad voltage rectifier for an 88 Blackmax 200 and how you're gonna have to fix it, because they don't make stuff anymore, so you gotta kind of upgrade things. Couldn't find a video on this anywhere. All right, so replace the stator, CDI stator in there, brand new, right? That comes down into voltage regulator. But wait a minute, this is a dual charging system, so it has a regulator and a rectifier separate. Okay, so your rectifier is this little square box on the top of the motor. And as you can see, mine's pretty done, because that should not come out of there. And you shouldn't have all that salt in there. Yeah, you know, okay, it's done. Let's go to the parts store. Let's go get another one. They don't make them anymore. So you have to go to a new version. Thank you, Mercury. So now we're gonna have to get into this wiring harness. We're gonna be removing this, where the heck did it go now? There it is, this regulator. So all the wires are gonna be off of here. This is gone. This is now gone. And this is what we got. So mind you, CDI said this part is gonna be $450. It's gonna have to be made on the spot because they have none in stock, so it's going to take 2 weeks to make, and it's going to take about 3 weeks for me to get to my boat. Okay, so they showed me a picture of what this part looks like. So they showed me a picture and I went, hey, wait a second, I've seen one of those on Amazon. New style voltage regulator and rectifier together in one unit. There's our wires. We got our two yellows that we're gonna splice back into the stator. The two reds are gonna go together to the one red on that end. This gray one goes to your tack, and this black one goes to a ground. So come with me. Let's install this thing and see what's all involved. Let's get on it. Well, first thing I'm going to try and get out, I'm going to stand in the sun here, try and block you, is this regulator. Well, it's just 2 Phillips. I think if you just take the one out, you're going to be able to rock it out of there. Well, let's get that one or something. So now you got your one red, yellow, your yellow, and that looks like your gray tack wire. And then your ground. We should be good to go. Okay, let's get into this. Let's see what we got. Off and off. We don't need. We are going to reuse this and splice this red wire back into both of these red wires. Why can't you see nothing? Too bright, too much sun. So both these red wires, what is going on? Are gonna get put together, and then they're gonna go on that red wire. That's gonna power this thing. Okay, so that one's off. Let's get the yellow off. What is going on with my camera? I gotta clean this thing. Top yellow wire off. Now we can eliminate this part of our harness that went up top down to your regulator. Don't need that no more. Finito. Gone. Now all we have left is this second yellow wire that goes to our stator and our tack. Let's remove those. All right, so we got 2 wires from our stator getting ready to be powered up. We got our tack wire, and we have our power wire. 4 wires. That's all we're dealing with here, people. This is easy stuff. This is easy. So now we've eliminated this guy, and we've eliminated that guy. So this is our dual charging system. Rectifier, regulator. Rectifier, regulator in one. Oh, and you gotta love them. Use the factory holes and bolts to mount it. I see an issue with that, Captain. Captain. Factory hardware, It's not gonna fit. Okay. Cut these off, twist them together. Whatever we're gonna do, let's figure this part. Okay, we got everything temporarily together. I got these 2 connected, and then the red wire patched in. Got my tack twisted on, just for now, just for a test. My yellow hooked up. Got my yellow hooked up. I got my ground going to the nut there. And I got that just kind of stuffed in the wires and holding. And we're gonna throw some water to her and fire it up, see what it does. Well, it does appear to charge when you rev it up. I guess it's working. Here we go. Sweet. $25. It works. Yeah, she's still running 13. Rev it up at 1,000 RPM. It's charging good. Put her on the water. We gotta clean this thing. Holy woo! Yeah. We'll clean this boat up. Take her out today. Whoop. There you go, guys. I hope that helps you out. That's gonna save you $425 Canadian for your fix. $25. Even if it only lasts a year and it blows, it's $25. Get another one. Took me like 3 days to get the thing. Pretty excited. Pretty stoked. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. Put the damn bell notification on when I make videos, when I get a chance. Have a great day, guys. Get out there on the water. Do some fishing. And there's our final product. So this guy's up. It's all sealed up. I mount it there. It's got an air gap underneath. So hopefully it keeps it cool instead of mounting it down onto the metal. It's just hanging off the back of there. Should keep it cool anyway. But yeah, it's all said and done. She charges, she works. Time to go for a water test. Not the best day out here to be doing a test. Just like yesterday, pretty wild. But we're gonna go with the waves and we're gonna try her out. See if she gets up to some RPM. Alright, let's see what it's like getting up there. Seems to run a lot smoother. Push at 13.5. See what she does. Power! I think my timing's a little bit off. hear power? What's this? Whoa. Hey, what is that? That's just under 3. Holy shit. That wasn't even blowing it. It was touching it. Fucking things are rocking. Whoa. So guys, as we've seen, it all worked out. $25. She's charging. None of the electronics are going to fail again because if the stator and the rectifier aren't working properly together, you just end up frying the stator. So anyway, give me a thumbs up. Let me help you guys out. If you have a question, you got a problem with other things, let me know. See what I can do to help you guys out. Have a good one.